previous videos, we have been talking about the first topic that we learned about are numbers, and we categorize numbers into different numbers. Then after that, we learned about operations that we perform on numbers. Then today, we are starting a new topic on how we can express numbers, how we can write numbers. So this is the first form of expression that we can express numbers, which is the standard form. For example, if you have a number 234,000 and you need to express it in standard form, remember that in standard form the remaining number after the comma must be less than 10. So you need to move your comma from here to here. You need to move your comma from here up to here. So if you look at it closely, this you need to move your comma 10,000 places from here to here. So you're going to have 2,34 multiplied by 10,000. So we are going to have that figure. So now our 2 is less than 10 but greater or equal to 1. So after that, we are going to write 3, 2, 2,34 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4. So this is the standard form. That is the standard form. Moving forward, we can have decimal. We can have decimal 0.0000234. So this is a decimal, and you need to move the comma from here up to here. That's standard form. So the first thing that you're going to do when you move the comma, you're going to multiply by this number 0.00001. So this is the number that you're going to multiply by. So you're going to write 2.34 multiplied by 0.0001. We're going to multiply by that number. Remember, we learned how to change decimals into fractions. So changing this decimal into a fraction, we're going to have 2.34 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0.0001 over. So you're going to put, you're no longer going to put 0.001. So this is just 1 over number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to have 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to have 100. So you remember this is 100. So after this, you're going to have 2.34 multiplied by 1 over, this is 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5. That's 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Sorry, there was an error here. This was supposed to be 10,000. This was supposed to be 10,000. So this is 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4. So in order to remove this from the denominator, you're going to have 2.34 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the standard form for a fraction, for a decimal. You can express a large number or a very small number in standard form. Because when you have performed physics operations, or chemistry operation, the difference might be very, very small numbers. So you need to bring them up into standard form so that you can see the tiny differences.